Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this vlog, I'm going to Tabal to do my mall and something. I just went to that old lady I've shown you guys in my previous vlog, and I even went to my mother's sister's place. Yeah. I have some extra skin near here, so I went to do this thing and over my ear. I went there and I got it done, and after that I went back to my mother's sister's place that is at Summerall, and here we are. Acting kasi. Bye bye. See you later.
Pardon me, why don't you come over here? I need to ask you something quickly, my dear. Why do you always settle for something less? You know that, baby, you deserving the best. Yeah, yeah. Go take a look up in the mirror. You gotta see a little clearer. Who's that woman looking right back? She's a beauty queen, bad. You ain't nobody's number two. These men, they should be fighting over you. No second guessing what I'm saying. Baby, you can take this to the bank and make it sweet. It's time to listen to yourself right now. Make it sweet. Don't even listen to these guys right now. Make it sweet. Let's treasure buried deep inside right now. Make it sweet. So go and see what you can find right now. Don't you know you're not just some other girl? There's no one like you anywhere in the world. You have a strength like nothing I've ever seen. You're like a woman ripped right out of my dreams. Yeah, yeah. Go take a look up in the mirror. You gotta see a little clearer. Who's that woman looking right back? She's a beauty queen, bad.
It is another day, and this is the last day. I'm on my way to bazaar to buy some stuffs, and it's drizzling right now. I went to bazaar to buy a phonic for a friend of mine. That is a non-Manipuri friend, because I wanted to give her the phonic, so I went there to buy it, and I also got a new shirt for me because I was going, so I wanted something new for me. So yeah, I got a new shirt and phonic, and I was on my way to going to take this, to get that, not take this, to get that. and this is the day when I'm going to Vadodara. And yeah, I'm doing my morning work. I've mopped this place. I'm gonna pray now, and I didn't even wash my face.
If you found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah.
This is the little space we created during this lockdown. Not during this, the previous lockdown. And I'm going before they begin to bloom in full. Whatsoever, I'm grateful that they grew up so well. And this is my beautiful home where I live. And I'm not ashamed of it. And why should I be? This is love. Bye, you guys. I'm gonna miss all this after that.
If you found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one, yeah, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Memory lane isn't that too far away from our hearts, yeah, yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never let go. So tell me who you love, baby. Take a moment to unwind, fix yourself and realign yourself with the world, baby. Breathe slow, baby, yeah. We should breathe slow, we should breathe slow, we should breathe slow. We should breathe slow, we should breathe slow, we should breathe slow. We should breathe slow, we should breathe slow, we should breathe slow. We should breathe slow, breathe slow.
넣으면 넣으면. 아버지 넣으면 되죠. James Bond. My connecting flight, and I don't know from where I need to go. And right now I'm figuring it out. Queues, long queue. So I need to go from here. I was on my flight alone, and on my way at Delhi, I met two Manipuri girls. Hi, hello, hello. They are from Manipur, and we met. We don't know each other, and we're just waiting to have this.
Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. It's another hit, it's another hit. Get up on it, I'm so horny, and I'm on it.
I'm at Delhi airport, and
Get up on the dick.
my flight is at 7, so I need to stay here for that timing. And a lot of people is staring at me, I don't know why. But yeah. And I met two Manipuri girls.
I want you to know
They
how
were like
deep my
my
love
juniors.
goes. I ain't got a lot of time, no speed,
I'm feeling
just
bad
riding
with them.
low. Some tricks sitting up my sleeve at the magic show. Got you riding on top of me, all around in and out you go. These thoughts come from within before I knew your name. It's curious, do you know if you feel the same? And to see a smile on your face, I do almost anything. Serious, girl, I don't play no games. Wanna take you out, freak you out, bust my gun and take the charge as long as you say my name. Every time I break you off, girl, I'll give you what you want. 'Cause your love is all I'ma turn you on. And all the things I do, all the things I do. Girl, you make me. 'Cause your love is all I need. And you gon' make that sound from all the things I do. Take a break as we escape to my Decatur love. Girl, you're red as a dream and I'm ready to break you off. I switched up my routine to something you never saw. I'ma make you scream, scream all night long. When I look into your eyes, I know it's real. My whole life trying to find a way to show you how I feel. You're the only one on my mind, and you know the deal. Make you feel alright, girl, you know I will. I wanna take you out, freak you out, bust my gun and take the charge as long as you say my name. Every time I break you off, girl, I'll give you what you want.
Reach Vadodara, and I need to get my luggage from there. Lâu rồi không ạ? Nó ba đi pin rồi, nó ba đi, nó ba sân đi đâu cái tàu tao được pin rồi, nó ba sao được sân lên. Sao đi nè cô? Thấy nghe cô dạng xá ta đi tận cái này nghe được. Where I'm gonna stay?
Adati kain mo to. Ano in purchase ang ko ito? Asa ada ibo ay.
It is. Ano? Pugya tara. Ah, guys.
42.
Baruga. It is 12:42, and if I was in Manipur, I would be sleeping right now. But I changed place, and now it is the new thing. And we are going to meet a friend of him. He said he's going to go tomorrow, so we're going for that.